Hello. Remember, today you are working on your Roman Republic to Roman Empire notes, called Roman government notes. You're looking at which events led to changes in Rome's government. That's our target. So, several of you still need to finish up the video. This should have been done yesterday. So if you are still working your way through the video, you are behind, and this is going to be homework tonight. You need to take a picture of your notes before you leave, though, so if you forget them at home, you still have something to work with tomorrow. So, starting with notes from the video, and then we're moving on, so we'll talk about this slide tomorrow. But you need to read page 306, finish all of the notes on your page. So that means the video was down here, and over here, and then page 306, you have these two sections. Now, the only part you can copy from someone else is the vocabulary words. If you are not here for vocabulary words, you can copy those. But everything else, you must watch the video and use the textbook and do that yourself. Don't just copy someone else's notes. That doesn't work. All right? You need to do the learning yourself. Tomorrow, we're going to do an activity with these notes. So, have a good day. I will see you guys tomorrow or in the hallway this afternoon. Bye.